Okay, now moving right along. We've at this point you should have set up your email settings, your global, your BCC catch-all, auto emails. The next step I would say would be to create a library of emails. So you're going to go to admin, you're going to click on your email admin, then you're going to go to emails. And this is just going to be a library of consistent templated emails that are nice, maybe with your logo, and your users will be able to pull these from a drop down of emails when they're needing to send emails for certain situations. Let me just show you something that you might want to do first. You might want to create a template for yourself so that you can always use this template and not save over it, but just use it to go from one to another. What I normally would do is I would normally grab, let's just say this is my template. I would take the source code and just do a Control A and copy all of that source code. Maybe do a Control C now, or right click and copy all that source code. And then I could come back at that point. I could say add a record, and then I could go back to my source code, copy all of that back in, and then go view out of source code and view the normal email. And so everything's there. So now I can just pretty this up and make it however I want. So make me a whole new message, but using my template. And so we want to give these names, description, subject line. And if you want to do some text replacement, so for example, if you wanted to start this out and personalize it, and you wanted to say, dear Betty, well, then you could use these text replacements and just take the client's first name right here, just copy and paste this, make sure you get everything in there, the little squiggly bars, I can't remember what those are called, and you would throw that in there. Yep, I must have got that included. So you could say something like that, dear Betty, comma. So it will automatically do a data replacement or a text replacement and include that. So you can use any one of these text replacements throughout your documentation or your email. And so that's basically it. So let me just kind of give you an idea. If you go to contacts, and I went back to my group or to my contacts and opened up Sunny again here in our demo account. If I click send email, once I click mail type, I'm going to have maybe a drop down of 10, 15, 20 emails that we've created in our account for our users, and I can choose as a user any one of these that's in our drop down, and when I do, it'll automatically populate the subject line. Again, if I've got multiple senders, I can choose that, but most of your users are just going to be sending from their one account. And then the sales cycle, what if it's connected, or which one it's connected to, so on and so forth. And then when it's sent, the BCC catch-all will get their copy. The agent will get a copy as well back to their email. And that's the way that you set up your emails and have a library for your users to choose emails.